On this episode,
48, 45, 46, 47, 48.
They look the same, right?
Uh-huh.
Other than one's encased and
Yes.
graded. The difference are...
Okay, I don't mind. You can tell me. So how much is that one worth?
what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day, and I'm driving to this estate sale. I'm hoping I find some goodies there. I'm trying to be the first in line. I'm going a little early, but we shall see. Let's cross our fingers. All right, let's get there.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room.
So I arrived at the estate sale thinking I'll be the first person in line. I saw the young lady in front of me. I said, okay, not too bad. But wait, there's more. Literally, there were more people. My first stop is always media. Some of my highest sales have been VHS tapes. I spotted this sealed Michael Jordan VHS tape and I had to grab it. Stay tuned to see what I sold it for. By the time I turned around, the room was now packed with people.
Let me know if you need any help.
Okay, how much is this TV by chance? You know? Does it have like a DVD or anything? No, huh?
The DVD.
No, it don't.
Does not.
Okay.
But since it doesn't have a price on it, you can take it up to the lady in the front. She'll
Okay.
give you a price on it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
I saw somebody right away.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Over there.
Which one? I'm sorry.
Well, it's all right.
It is? Okay, okay, thank you.
I wanted a TV with an attached DVD player or a VHS player, so I left those behind. Vintage sheets can do well, so I snagged a few. Stay tuned to see what they're selling for.
I was right here. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. How about you?
I'm fine. Let me see. I forgot.
Want the basket too?
No. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, it's okay.
I bring nothing to carry.
Okay. Yeah.
Why wasn't I asking her the prices as she was going?
$50 even.
You said $50 even. Can you do 40?
Not today. 48.
I like you a hustler like me. How much was the media? I'm just curious.
The media. This?
Uh-huh.
Oh, $3.
Okay. $3 for the media. You said 48, 45, 46, 47, 48.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want to put it in your car and come back and shop?
Yeah, do that.
Counts are $2. Everything's $4.
So I ended up going back into the estate sale and purchasing 3 more pieces of media. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see what everything sells for. Okay, last time for real.
Okay, awesome. You can keep shopping. I'm okay with that. Oh, you got new ones. Good, good, good. 2, 4, and then how many's in here? $4 more. So $8 total.
8.
Yeah, 10 of CDs, but you only want the new ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thanks, you too. And Sunday, all the books and the DVDs are probably going to be $1.
Okay, I'll come back. Thank you.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day, and we're about to make some shmoney, some real shmoney. As you guys saw, I got this VHS from the estate sale. Well, guess what? I posted it online, and one of my buddies, he sent me an offer on eBay, and then he sent me a DM on Instagram. He like, hey, what's the best you could do on the tape? And I'm going to sell it right now to him. Brand new seal, y'all. MJ. It's MJ, y'all.
To compete, to win, that's all I live for, really. When you lose, you're easily forgotten.
But we're going to meet him right now. I'm going to take y'all along with me. And I'm going to see if I can ask him a few questions. Like, see if he could give us some inside scoop on what VHS tapes he look for. And, like, what should others look for. So I want us all to be informed. So, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This was a great dollar investment.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Nice to finally meet you. We finally meeting in person. Yes.
How's the day treating you?
It's good. I'm just got off work, so.
Oh, there she is. There's old Mike.
Yes.
Where'd you find it?
Estate sale. Oh.
That's good.
So now I'm back on the hunt. I found the first 2. Those sold well. Then I took a break, and I'm back on it now.
I know, I miss it too. I don't know. It seems around here it's tough to find stuff at estate
Really?
sales. Yeah, like 80s stuff. Here.
Okay, yeah. I keep. That's all I'm doing now. All day, every day. I'm gonna start looking. Cause I started doing a little bit of everything, like clothes, shoes, and I put it on eBay. Cause it's a
Same.
good side hustle. Oh,
It definitely is.
Yeah.
eBay's fees are ridiculous.
tell me about it. So then I went to Facebook. Facebook is good too,
Mm-hmm.
but you gotta be careful. I got scammed, but luckily I got my money back. But
That's good.
It was $1,000 on the iPhone.
Fuck.
On the
Yeah.
iPhone. I'm just doing a little bit of everything.
What are you using for the estate sale? Are you just using the app? That's what I do too. I still don't find anything.
Really?
I looked today. I didn't find anything good on the app. I mean, I didn't go
Yeah.
anywhere.
See,
but
but now yard sales too. It takes, but just time. It's time consuming.
definitely, for me anyway, those aren't listed. You just drive around and maybe see them. Definitely yard
Now,
sales.
so
are better.
like the main 2 I found, it was a estate sale and it was a yard sale in Burbank. The Burbank, and I think the other one was in Carson. I found Gremlins and I found Aliens. And I found some other ones for like $50, but nothing like, you know. I was like, when I seen that one, I was like, let me go get it.
Do you know what's good about this one?
The MGM? No, or what? Tell
this?
me. Oh, okay.
So,
All right, y'all. So we're gonna learn something today. We're gonna learn the difference between certain VHS. I'm gonna try to get as much knowledge as I can. Should you guys follow Thomas? Give me your information, Thomas.
sealed_VHS on Instagram.
Yes, hit him up, y'all. All right, now we're gonna learn the difference.
So this is yours today.
Yes.
This is one I had before. They look the same, right?
Uh-huh.
Other than one's in case and
Yes.
graded. The difference are, if you flip them over, the watermarks. So the white CBS Fox are their earlier releases, kind of mid to late 80s. In this case, 89. That's when this tape came out, 89. Says the same thing here, right? So you think
Yes.
they're the same, but not. This is the like 92, 93 watermark they switched to. The other difference is the earlier have these horizontal overflaps, or is this one's vertical?
Got you. Okay, I don't mind. You could tell me. So how much is that one worth?
I don't know right now, to be perfectly honest.
Okay,
I'm
that's
gonna have to
fine.
clean it up, see what it grades, and the
Okay.
market's been a little down right now, so we'll see.
Okay. So people that's looking for VHS tapes, what do you recommend?
Estate sales,
Uh-huh.
garage sales, eBay's good, marketplace. Yeah, it's just putting in the time and really getting lucky at the end of the day.
All right. All right, thank you, Thomas, so much. Candy Crew, y'all make sure I go follow Thomas ASAP and tell him the Candy Crew is checking in with him. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. They fresh. Y'all, now y'all know. Once I find something, I get back in that rhythm. I'm going to be looking and looking for VHS. Get y'all some VHS. Stop sleeping. Stop sleeping on VHS. Keep telling y'all. Let me know if y'all would have did that. Would y'all have wetted it out on eBay or sold it for $200? Alright, Candy Crew. So after that good sale, I need some good food. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to get something to eat, and I hope I can find another VHS. Because now I'm looking like this again. VHS? Hey, you got some VHS? Hey, you got some still VHS? Call me. Call me if you got some still VHS. You do? Alright, here I come.
Girl, shake that